That can be provided.
You'll hire them again, just to fire them again.
For sure, this ain't your mama's Civic. Why are you putting training fluid in the engine?
What's the smell? It's Richard decomposing.
You boys like Mexico?
We're back at the track. As you saw late last night, we got the engine put together in the car. We just have to throw the turbos on, button everything back up. Hopefully we'll have it running here within the next hour and a half to 2 hours, and we can try to qualify at 3 o'clock. At 3 o'clock it's first qualifier, we get 4, so we have time. So we just got to see where we end up.
So it seems like the morale's a little bit more excited today as we're getting closer to startup.
Daylight will do that, right? So you got the sun's out. So
it also feels amazing out here.
this weather is fantastic. Usually I hear it's like really fucking cold. Right now it's manageable. You can see we're in shorts and t-shirt. I had my jacket on, but it got hot. So I mean, who knows? It's crazy. It's beautiful weather.
And there's just a little bit more energy out here, I feel like.
There's more energy, there's getting more traffic, there's tons of people.
I could just be biased, but I feel like I'm seeing a lot of 4-cylinder cars out here.
A lot of 4-cylinders, but they're classy, right? Like they look nice.
Yeah, of course. I mean, 6-figure builds.
Yeah, oh yeah. For sure, this ain't your mama's Civic.
Well, shout out to the guys at UPR for their help.
Man, UPR, dude, they bailed us out so many times. They've been part of this program before it was even really a program. You know, I was just posting on IG just randomly, you know, whenever we first got the S550, and it was just like a stock car. And they reached out, they said, hey man, we make a lot of cool stuff for that thing, if you're interested. So got a couple things from them, and sure enough, I mean, we just kind of built a relationship. They were with us whenever we were trying to go 9s, try to go 8s. And now they went to 7s, and now we're trying to go 6s. And you know, we've had their products on our cars since from the beginning. And anything we've ever needed, if they don't have it, you know, they're so well connected that they can help us find it. It goes a long way. I mean, they believed in us before we even knew what we were doing. So it's amazing.
So shout out to them.
Shout out to UPR products, 100%. That can be provided.
I think we gotta get you to meet Boosie, bro.
Hey, that's a real thing.
I think we can make that happen. You'll hire them again, just to fire them again. We're getting closer and closer, finishing up. How are you feeling about it?
I feel better. Yeah, I feel better. You know why? Because I had a feeling this is what we were gonna do. I saw coolant pressure rise, but we didn't have enough data to make that call. You know what I mean? We had just put a coolant pressure sensor in it. We had the issues at the track testing. Didn't know where it came from.
So you knew it was happening, you just didn't know why.
I wasn't sure if that's where it came from. You know what I mean? So everything was so violent, we didn't have enough data to actually see, yeah, it's building pressure. This is what's happening. So that's what data is for, man. We always got to get data. If we have ability to put sensors, put them on.
Are you not weary of running a brand new motor on?
No. TCAM stuff's been solid. The first time we did the other motor, they were literally like, I'm like, all right, what are y'all's procedures? What do y'all want to do? They said, run that bitch, put it on 2-step, fucking do whatever you gotta do. So the motor's good, bro. I don't have no doubts with that. Once we get oil pressure and everything sounds good and healthy, we're sending it.
Nice. Why are you putting training fluid in the engine?
It's thicker, it's good. That way all the rings will seal.
Right.
Bye. See?
I like
you learn
that.
a thing or two.
Fucking Aldo. Is he dead? What's the smell? It's Richard decomposing.
I got short-term memory. I don't remember half the shit that I do.
So we got the car up and running. This guy's busted ass, got it done. It fired up, sounds great. Just gotta touch up a couple things, and should be back in business here shortly. Yeah, we heard the first startup. Sounds good, sounds solid. We were logging, so we sent it to John Jr. at Lund Racing. Hopefully he gives us a blessing that everything looks solid on his end. We'll put it on the trans brake a couple times, build some boost, seat the rings, and change the oil, and just go from there. Hopefully we can make qualifying today. It starts at 3, which is about 10 minutes from now, but our class is midway through, so it might not be till about 4:30, 5 o'clock. So we got time. Roller coaster of emotions these last 2 weeks, so we'll see.
I know what loading the parachute means.
It means we're getting ready. We got a couple more little things we got to log, go over, send it. So we'll see.
This is not sponsored by Boosted Alarms, but it is a product that Boosted Alarms and Services sells out in Houston, Texas. Just give me a shout.
All I'm saying is, if you want this to make it in the video, you gotta slide the editor a few.
Well, if you want to make it home to Houston, you better fucking.
How about we get the fuel inside the fuel cell first?
Did a quick data log on the trans brake, cams, the cams are camming like they're supposed to. We're here, let's see what it does, 1:15. Hopefully we can get out of here at a decent hour tonight. We've been getting to the Airbnb at like 1 o'clock every day. Haven't had a real dinner other than Taco Bell and Wawa. Hopefully we do good and go home early, get some rest, be ready for tomorrow, 2:15 and 3:15. Stay tuned. Thank you, wait. That's still turned down, right? That's a tune from
Yeah, that's probably no more than 35, 36.
First off, thank you very much for coming out today.
Temperature's good, trans is a little hot.
It's fun a little. I had to drive it, but I drove through it.
So Brian, day 2 of World Cup Finals.
Day 2, fresh motor, fresh. We have, I mean, you guys saw how we broke it in, changed the oil, and went. First pass, we went 728 at 191, 117 60 foot. The power still turned down from when we went to HMP and smacked the wall. So it's still that same stuff. We're good. We're in a good spot right now. Just gonna go over the car, make sure it's ready. Be good. I'm excited. Felt good. What's up, guys? We are here, day 3. We are about to make a pass for Q2. Minor adjustments on the car. Everything's working like it's supposed to, so pretty excited to see how it runs on this next pass. It's a little bit hotter today. But I mean, it is what it is. We came here expecting much colder weather, so we're having to adapt a little bit, but I think it'll still be good. Stay tuned to see what it runs. Hotter day, went a 730 or 73 something at 191. I think we got a little bit more left, but I really think the weight is what's affecting us at this point. It's an extra, 150, 160 pounds that we added. So just gotta keep an eye on things and see what it does. We got one more qualifying pass today, so we want to go a little bit faster.
So when the laptop's out, I know that means some series going on.
We got a couple changes we're making. That last run, the video is going to be fucking insane. I think it was me and Christine Dogsworth in her GTR. She went 7.1 over 200. I went 7.3 at 190. But I got her on the light. I believe I held her off the whole way, but we talked about it, and it was just a badass race. Probably the best side-by-side race I've had in a long, long time, especially going that fast. So I think the 360 video is going to be fucking insane. We got a couple adjustments we're making. It's pretty hot out here compared to what we were expecting, so trying to accommodate for that. We added an additional meth nozzle to see if we can kind of help the IATs a little bit and just make it to where we're getting nice fresh air into the engine versus hot ass air. So just stay tuned.
Aldo, ¿cómo se siente? ¿Cómo se siente?
Where's the fucking radio at?
But on a serious note, how do you feel about how the car did?
I think we're good. I mean, we kind of knew that we had the limitations of the turbo, but we kind of have to come with whatever we got as far as power goes and their limits. I think they were a little outgunned as far as the Coyote platform, the way they hit the rules on us, but we're gonna try. We're obviously gonna try to make a little bit more boost. Hopefully that fixes it. Make power. I want to say we can go a low 20, maybe a 19. I'll be happy.
Well, that's gonna be down right when the tires upset it down. There goes the big.
Yeah, make it, yeah.